G'day guys! In today's video I've just been doing a bit of a teardown on a Switch Lite, and my question that I had, which I've already found the answer for, is can I use the original Type-C charger port to replace the Nintendo Switch Lite's charger port? So looking at the port itself, nothing special about it at all. Overlaying the original one over the top for the launch Nintendo Switch. The pin configuration looks to be identical. The mounting of it looks to be identical. But the biggest difference I have found is on the end. So the Switch Lite, the end of the connector is nice and just straight cut, so it goes straight out. Where on here, on the original, it flares out slightly. So it's not just one big cylinder tube, it flares at the very end. So you may be able to see it right there. So what that means is you can use the original charger port on the Switch Lite, but what you're going to have to do in the end is potentially route or file out the plastic on the housing. So if I try and push this up to here, it gets a bit snagged. So more than likely, I'm going to replace the charger port on the board, reassemble it onto the screen, turn it on, make sure it works. And when I'm all happy from there, I'm probably going to have to file this out. But yes, you can use the original launch Type-C with the Switch Lite. And as I said about the jack not quite fitting, as you can see there, it's pushing it out. So it is not fitting at all. You could potentially try and put it on the other way, but then we've got the issue of getting over the headphone jack here or over the Type-C port here. So I don't believe there's a way you can get both of them successfully on there, as you need to go over the audio jack first, and then you can't pull. I'll give it a try just to see. No. So no, not a good fitment at all. So I'm gonna get a file and file this out. So we're all charging once more. And as you can see, I've had to square off that port. Just enough for it to stick through. As you can see, the reflective bit of the Type-C port itself. Doesn't look too bad. It could look a lot better, but it's functional, which most of the people that are buying these are young kids, and the parents just want it to go again. And away we go. So here's.